Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make eggs like restaurants. Achieving restaurant-quality eggs at home is simpler than you might think, focusing on a few key principles. Always start with the freshest, highest quality eggs you can find for superior flavor and texture. Cook them gently over low to medium-low heat, never rushing the process. Incorporate a small amount of fat, like butter or oil, for added richness. Remember to remove your eggs from the heat just before they are fully set, as they will continue to cook slightly from residual warmth. This ensures perfect consistency every time. For perfect scrambled eggs, whisk 2 to 3 eggs with a splash of milk or cream until just combined. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Pour in the egg mixture and let it set for a few seconds before gently stirring with a heat-resistant spatula. Continue to cook for 2 to 3 minutes, forming soft, creamy curds. Remove from heat when still slightly wet for the best texture. To achieve flawless fried eggs, heat 1 teaspoon of butter or oil in a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Crack 2 eggs directly into the warm pan, being careful not to break the yolks. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes, or until the whites are completely set but the yolks remain beautifully runny. For an even cook and slightly opaque yolks, gently baste the eggs with the hot butter or oil during the last minute of cooking. Creating an elegant omelet begins with whisking 2 to 3 eggs vigorously until they are slightly frothy. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in an 8-inch non-stick pan over medium-high heat until it foams. Pour the eggs into the hot pan, swirling to coat the bottom evenly. Cook for just 1 to 2 minutes, pushing the cooked edges towards the center and tilting the pan to let uncooked egg flow underneath. Fold the omelet in half or thirds and serve immediately for a tender, flavorful dish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.